Hey everybody, Marvin over here with Safe Fire Rate. Today we're looking at the Fixer Upper Special over here at 425 Laurel Road. Let's come on in, folks. Hey there everybody, today we are at 425 Laurel Road West, Nokomis, Florida at a handyman special. This adorable beach bungalow is 1 mile away from the beaches. You got some gorgeous plaza shopping over there, Publix, coffee, gasoline, all the good stuff. It's gonna be a 1-acre lot, gorgeous 2-story home. You got a nice little sunbathing area up there that connects to one of the bedrooms, garage. Let's go check it out inside, my friends. It's gonna be the main entrance over here at 425 Laurel Road West in Nokomis, Florida. We're gonna come into the house greeted by this gorgeous staircase that will be going upstairs to the 1, 2, 3 bedrooms. Over here we have a Spanish style kitchen with the brick overhang there. We got the kitchen over here as well. You're looking at about $15,000 to $20,000 on the kitchen. You could keep it like this, refurbish it, or just demo the whole thing. Over here you got a kitchen, dining room area that connects straight out to this sunlit backyard. So you and your family can enjoy a nice cup of coffee in the morning, have a little fire outside. We'll be visiting that area some more. And here, folks, we're gonna have a second living area. Nice little fireplace. Flooring, you're looking at anywhere from $10,000 to $15,000 on the flooring. And then over here, you have a very unique main bedroom as well. This house boasts 2 main bedrooms. You got the bed over here. It's got its own little kitchenette area here that you could equip to your liking. And then over here, it's got a second lounge area that connects straight out to the patio. And then over here, folks, you're gonna have the toiletry area of the unique main bedroom. It's even got a bidet, sink, tub, toilet leads right outside. You're gonna have your laundry facilities over here that connect straight out into the garage. And that's gonna go straight out to the main driveway where we came in from. And then this can be whatever you want, storage, all the unique features. Okay, we covered the bottom floor. Before going upstairs, let's take a look at this half bath over here that's directly to the right of the entrance. You got your toiletry area there, Spanish style flooring, bathrooms. You could drop anywhere from $10,000 to $15,000 on this bathroom over here to your liking. And then let's go ahead and go up these stairs. And we're gonna have the terrace view over to the right, a full bath over here, guest bedroom over here, and then another main bedroom over here on the left. So this is the adjoining hallway area for upstairs, a little 360 view. Let's head this way here to one of the guest bedrooms. Nice open area. It's even got its little kitchenette area over here. So again, refurbish this to your liking. The more money you spend, the more you may get out of it. Check with your property appraiser, real estate professionals. And we got a closet area over here for clothing. And then this bedroom over here connects directly out to this beautiful top area terrace over here. We started the party for any investors with the brand new metal roof. Look at that gorgeous view you get out there, folks. Sunlight area over here, staircase leading down. And this right here is the front view of the property. Main entrance right down there. Okay, back inside to one of the guest areas over here. This is gonna be the other restroom, $10,000, $15,000 over here. So between the 2 bathrooms, you're looking at around $20,000, $25,000, depending on your fit and finishes. Sinks, bath, and then over here you have the other guest bedroom. Okay, walls, closet area, sunlight, windows, all that good stuff. Then we're gonna hang a direct right over here. And this is gonna be the second main bedroom. Closet area over here, windows all around. Some more closet space over here. Bam. And then over here, you're gonna have the main upstairs bathroom, sink, toiletry area, full shower, sunlight. Okay, let's do some outside exploration now. This is back to the main entrance over here. You have about 1 acre of land to explore. This is the right of the home over here. That's leading upstairs. This is the right of the property over here. Gorgeous landscapes, so many possibilities. Come over here with your 360 beauty goggles and make this place a paradise. Backyard over here. Direct shot of the backyard. That's the unique main bedroom over here. Very cool. Lots of possibilities. And that's going to be the right side of the outside over here, or left, depending on which way you're looking at. And that's going to lead straight out back to one of the entrances.